Good morning, everyone. We're in the beautiful city of Baku. We're about to start our day. It's a little bit gloomy outside. It's a little bit colder today, but I love cold weather, you know that. So we're gonna be exploring the city because we have a free day today. My tour today got canceled for some reason. Not sure what happened with the tour operators, but it's okay. We gotta make the best of every day here. So now we're in the city of Baku. Food here in Azerbaijan is way better than the US, I promise you that. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 9:30 a.m. and we're on our way to Baku City Tours. Today is our last day in Baku. We've been in Baku for a very long time, but we're gonna finish off strong with the city tour. They're gonna show us around officially all the cool spots of Baku, and yeah, we're really excited to check it out. Let's go. Our tour actually got pushed back, so I'm going to be eating at this restaurant right now. But yeah, this place serves homemade pasta, and they also make homemade meat. So it looks really interesting. It looks really good and natural and fresh. Let me show you this. Homemade pasta noodles. And you said you make homemade meat as well?
This homemade meat or finished this well today. It's okay.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna take a look at the menu and see what to order. Okay, we're waiting for our pasta to come out, and I have to be at the tour at 5, and right now it's 4:50, so I'm gonna have to eat this in 10 minutes, really quickly. So let's see if I can do it. And it's not even out yet, so yeah, I'm really excited to try homemade natural pasta. You know, yeah. Yes, thank you so much. Wow, it looks very good. Wow. All right, guys, here it is. Famous homemade pasta. Wow, very good. Alright, we are now starting the Baku walking tours. I'm here with my guide and one other lady. So yeah, this is actually a very nice tour because most of the tours here, they're just, you do it by car, and you don't really feel like a local when you're touring by car. But this is a foot tour, so we're literally walking around on foot. And it is raining right now, but that's fine because the vibes are good. I literally feel like I'm in the UK now because it's cold and wet, but it's good vibes. I love cold weather, you know that. So yeah, let's get this tour started with. think this is the only city possible where you can do a walking tour because it's such a walkable city. It's crazy. So we are now in Old Town. There's so many old buildings here. Now this really feels like Europe. You know, I've been saying this whole time that Azerbaijan feels like Europe, but this area right here, it feels like you're right there. Now we're at the famous Azerbaijani towers right here. They finally light up at night. It looks amazing. Wow.
597 meters.
597 meters tall. Wow. It's crazy. They call Azerbaijan the city of flames for a reason. You know, all around their towns, they have, you know, symbolism of fire. Man, this part of Azerbaijan is so beautiful. You can literally see the whole city from here. Alright guys, we're finally leaving Baku. We're leaving Azerbaijan. Oh, I'm vlogging. YouTuber. And yeah, it's been a really good... How long have I been here for? I've been here for a while. I've been traveling for a while. But it's been a really good stay. I'm actually kind of sad about leaving. You know, at the end of every trip, I always realize how good of a time it was. So yeah, travel with Atlys. Yeah, it's so cool being able to experience different cultures like these, you know, especially not on my part of the world. You know, it's so different than America. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm gonna show you guys the airport when we get there. So yeah, thank you guys for tagging along. It's not over yet. I'm gonna vlog the way home. But yeah, see you guys at the airport. All right, we have now made it to the airport. Beautiful airport. Let's go check in for our flight. We did come here a bit early today. I'm like 5 hours early. The airport here looks so sick. I feel like these are one of the most futuristic airports I've been to. Like, they have these little huts everywhere, and they have stores in each one of them. But wow, the Azerbaijan airport is A1. Super big, super clean. Let's go explore it. We're now boarding our flight to Istanbul. Right, we just landed in Turkey and we're on our way to our transfer flight right now. I have a 7-hour layover, so international transfers. So we got lots of time. Alright, we're finally back to boring old Houston. It's crazy. It's been a long journey back home. I'm really tired, but man, these past 20 days have been really fun days of traveling. I learned a lot. Yeah, travel with Atlys. But it's good to be back home in Texas. And I can't wait to get some Texas barbecue. Let's go.